Presentation this morning. For you, what were some of the highlights of today's event?
I think what is fantastic in this event, this is the second Powering event we do in ASEAN. So we've done the Powering Indonesia in September, and now Powering Cambodia. With such an event, we bring together the whole industry. We bring our customers, we bring the ministries, the government, and the partners. And of course, we pull this together with all our GE technologies. And I think it's great. We get a unified view on what needs to be done in the country. And we define the strategy all together. So it's a fantastic event, I think.
Fantastic. All right. Now, for you, what were some of the key learnings? Because you met a lot of people today in different ministries and different businesses related to the industry. So, yeah, what were some things you learned today?
I think the challenges that Cambodia is facing, they need more power. They have limited resources. So there's going to be a focus on mainly hydro and coal, which is good because we are big in both of these fuels. So I think that's going to be their big challenge. I think the network also is a big challenge. They need a bit better grid. There's a lot of loss. 27% was mentioned by the minister, so that's really a lot. and I mean, we have all the technology, so we can play a role in this. Two of the other learnings that I've heard and some feedback from the customers, they're very interested by our rural electrification solutions. So I think that's great. And they are also very keen to look and more into details on our fast power solutions. We've done fast power projects in Indonesia, and actually this is an easy way to bring power to remote areas. And Cambodia is also very interested in this. So I think this is two of the learnings from my side, two new fields that we need to address actively.
Fantastic. Now, we talked a lot about the 2035 goals this morning. Everybody mentioned it, and GE can play a big role in helping them do that. And you mentioned, the hydro and steam. Are there other areas we can contribute?
Yeah. So I think, look, one of their goals is reduce the CO2 footprint. GE brings the best technology. So we have the renewable piece. We have, even in coal and gas, I mean, we bring the best technology that has the less impact on the environment. So the electrification, they want to have 100% of the country electrified by 2035. That's another piece where we can play a role by bringing the electricity through the solutions that I mentioned to the remote areas. So I think we have a good role to play in Cambodia. We need to grow. It's still a small country for us. But we have a good team, good commitment from all the businesses today. I think very exciting to see everybody that came to Phnom Penh for this event, and I think a good way to go. Huh?
My last question: when you go back to talk to all the managers that you report to and things, what are you going to tell them about Cambodia?
Cambodia, still small, but a huge potential, and I think, like always, the power of GE is that we can provide countries whatever they need. We have all the solutions in the house, and we have, from big gas turbine to small gas turbine, from big coal plants to small coal plants, through the renewables. We have all the state-of-the-art products. We have the teams to execute. We have the teams to help countries like Cambodia to build their capacity, because this is something that in all the meetings that I've had with the ministers over the last 2 days, capacity building is a key. How do they bring technology, but how do they bring skills to their people? And we've done it in many places, and we are doing it in Cambodia, and that's a big differentiator for us. So great potential.
Oh, great. Well, that's a good way to end. Well, thank you for your time.
Okay,
yeah,
thanks.
Great. Thanks.